Good morning, students. Students, we have done the topic up to the, we have started with the particular chapter that is chapter number 4. In that, we have learned how to make communication, e-commerce and outsourcing. Right. So today we are starting with the topic e-commerce. So what we have learned in the communication? Communication, we have learned the three definitions. So what is the first one? Communication means the exchange of thoughts, opinion, and information through the speech, writing, or the signs. Right? That we have learned. Second definition we have learned, communication means a process of exchange of information among the people regarding their knowledge, regarding their concept, regarding the understanding, emotion, feeling, and opinion. The sender selects the proper medium which affects the receiver, and as a result, his or her behavior is changed, and as relationship with him are established and maintained. Communication means a process of inducing our thought into the other's mind. Then we have learned the topic what is information. Information means the outcome received after processing the data, right? And then we have learned what are the steps, that it is only for readable part, right? Now then concept comes, what is internet, that we have learned. The word internet is derived from the two words, that is interconnection and network, right? The word inter refers to internal and the word net refers to network in the word internet. Thus, internet means internal network. Internet is the largest computer operated system in the world. Four categories we have learned, that is LAN, CAN, MAN and WAN. Then we have learned what is enterprise WAN and what is global WAN. And what are the, which type of, three types of functions we have learned which we can do through internet. The first is contact with the other person. Easily we can contact with the other person. Number two is receiving of the information. Third is the connection with other computer system. That also we have learned. Then we have learned the steps, how to open a net, how to open the network, how to do the search, selection of browser, selection of search engine, to enter the required things, select the website to get the required information. Images also we can get. So friends, today we have to start with the topic of e-commerce. So before doing that, do you have any idea of e-commerce? Yes, something has come into your mind. E-commerce means what? Electronic way commerce. And we have learned the word commerce means what? Commerce means trade as well as the all auxiliary services. Now, commerce means trade. Trade means what? Exchange of goods and services. That means with the help of electronic equipments like laptop, computers, internet, right? Credit card, debit card, internet banking. If we have this, we can do the business anywhere sitting in the whole world. That they want to say, right? So let's see. E-commerce means electronic commerce in which trading is done by electronic gadgets and media. All the process of this e-commerce such as purchases is there, selling is there, advertisement is there, and comparison with other products, transfer of money, etc. are made by electronic gadgets. Medias like internet, computer network, email service, bank credit card, debit card are used for the trading. So this is the basic thing that they want to say. So let's see e-commerce means what. E-commerce means electronic commerce. First one, in which trading is done by electronic gadgets and medium. All the process of this e-commerce such as purchase, selling, advertisement and comparison with other products, transfer of money, etc. are made by electronic gadgets. Medias like internet, computer network, email service, bank credit card, debit card are used for the trading. So what they want to say? E-commerce means electronic commerce in which trading is done by electronic gadgets and its medium. All the process of this e-commerce, such as whether it can be purchases, selling, advertisement, and comparison with other product, that is transfer of money, etc. It's all general thing only. ये सब चीज क्या बार बार यही बोलना है, e-commerce, electronic commerce, which is done with the help of gadgets and its media. All the process of e-commerce, purchase करना हो, sell करना हो, advertisement करना हो, money transfer करना, everything can be done. Same चीज है. I'm just reading. Are made by electronic gadgets. Medias like internet, computer network, mail service, debit card, credit card are used for the trading. आगे क्या लिखा है सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में? बाइंग सेलिंग, खरीदना बेचना, डिलीवरी ऑफ गुड्स एंड पेमेंट ऑफ मनी बाय प्रोफेशनल यूनिट्स हैव बिकम easier due to e-commerce. एकदम सही है. बाइंग एंड सेलिंग आज नेट के माध्यम से, इंटरनेट के माध्यम से, टेलीविजन के माध्यम से भी हम लोग खरीदते हैं. वी कैन परचेज एनीथिंग, right? It becomes very easy to compare between one product with the other product because of internet. So what they want to say, buying and selling, खरीदना और बेचना. बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म है, OLX करके है जहाँ पे हम सेकेंड हैंड सामान भी बेच सकते हैं. Quikr.com है, उसमें भी हम सेकेंड सामान बेच सकते हैं. खरीदना हो तो नए सामान हम खरीद सकते हैं. That means lot of ways are there. Buying, selling, delivery of goods बहुत जल्दी होता है, and payment of money by professional units have become easier due to e-commerce. Also, time and expenditure of customer for buying has been reduced. Now, today, if we want to purchase any electronic equipments, it requires lot of research. 10 जगह पे जाओ, ये खरीदो, भाव तोल करो, ये सब. So, but if we look in the computer, if we go to the Amazon, if you go to Flipkart, we get the perfect price. राइट हमें अच्छा प्राइस मिलता है, हम देख सकते हैं, कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, आफ्टर दैट वी टेक अ डिसीजन वेदर वी वांट टू परचेज और नॉट. सिंपल सी बात है. Thus there are many advantages of e-commerce. बहुत फायदे हैं e-commerce के. तो what is the second paragraph? Buying, selling, delivery of goods, payment of money by professional unit have become easier due to e-commerce. Also, time and expenditure of customers, बहुत time बचता है, for buying has been reduced. Thus, there are many advantages of e-commerce. The whole process of buying and selling has become easier and faster. बहुत जल्दी हो गया है in comparison to the system of traditional business due to e-commerce. ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस में पहले हमें किसी से पूछना पड़ता है, भैया ये सामान कहाँ मिलेगा, and then he give locate an address, then we go to that address, we see the product, then we see the price, and after that it takes a lot of headache for us. That means our time and money is wasted in lot of things. So here what they want to say, the whole process of buying and selling has become easier and faster in comparison to the system of the traditional business unit due to e-commerce. So what we can say, the whole process of buying and selling has become easier and faster in comparison to the system of traditional business due to e-commerce. Business can be done at any time. Business आप कोई भी time पे कर सकते हो. Business can be done at any time and place with the help of e-commerce, right? If you have this facility, we can do business anywhere. Business can be done at any time and any place with the help of e-commerce. Many activities such as, कौन से activity? Such as marketing, distribution, phone, post and printing work are reduced because of internet. बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया कोई जरूरत नहीं है प्रिंट करना, पोस्ट करना, फोन पे बात करना, सब कुछ, नो वन इज इंटरेस्टेड. सो मेनी एक्टिविटीज सच एज मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस, ये सब मार्केटिंग के काम है, जैसे कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे फोन क्वेरी करना, पोस्टल में करना, एंड प्रिंटिंग वर्क आर रिड्यूस बिकॉज ऑफ इंटरनेट. एज अ रिजल्ट देर इज अ डिक्रीज इन ओवरऑल कॉस्ट, हमारा कॉस्ट भी कम होता है, एंड द टाइम फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, हमारा जो टाइम है वो भी बचता है. तो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न इन द third paragraph, the whole process of buying and selling has become easier and faster in comparison to the system of traditional due to e-commerce. Business can be done at any time, कोई भी टाइम पे कर सकते हैं, and place with the help of e-commerce. Many activities such as, कौन से एक्टिविटी है, मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का काम है, फोन, right, post and printing work are reduced because of internet. As a result there is a decrease in overall cost, cost क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है, and the time for transportation. E-commerce provide better, क्या लिखा है, e-commerce provides better and quick services to the customer. E-commerce क्या देती है, better, अच्छा, and quick service, बहुत जल्दी, to the customer. Process of communication becomes faster by internet. Communication बहुत जल्दी fast हो जाता है. Process of communication become faster by internet. Price of product, quality of product, and other question can be solved easily due to easy interaction with the customers. Solution to the service or good related problems has become faster. तो एक बार वापस रीड कर लेता हूं, इसमें रीडिंग ही और कुछ है नहीं. द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ बाइंग एंड सेलिंग हैज बिकम easier and faster in comparison to the system of traditional business due to e-commerce. Business can be done at any time, कोई भी टाइम पे कर सकते हैं, and place with the help of e-commerce. Many activities such as, कौन सा activity, marketing process, distribution process, phone inquiry, post and printing work are reduced because of internet. As a result, there is decrease in overall cost and time for transportation. E-commerce provide better and quick services to the customer. Process of communication become faster by internet. Price of product, quality of product, and other questions can be solved. Right, because of internet what happens, we can get all the details. Just we have to go to Google and we have to search related to the particular product, and we get all the information related to that. So it becomes very easy for the customer to identify a perfect product for him. Now comes what are the field. Let's see. Now what they want to say. We have also learned, we have also heard that this word, customer to customer, business to business, right? When the deals of a big quantity, it always business to business. चलो देखते हैं. On the basis of the parties involved and provided activities and services provided by e-commerce, the scope of e-commerce can be classified as. तो पहला फील्ड को कितने भाग में बांटा गया है. The first is business to customer. पहला कौन सा है, business to customer. सेकेंड है business to business. थर्ड है कस्टमर टू कस्टमर, कस्टमर टू बिजनेस. चलो देखते हैं. बिजनेस टू कस्टमर, ये तो नॉर्मल है. इन दिस देयर इज अ सेलर एट वन एंड एंड अ कस्टमर एट अदर एंड. सेलर जो सामान बेचता है और राइट, और जो कस्टमर है वो खरीदता है. ओके, चलो. यस, so business to customer, but we can say in this there is seller at one end and the customer at other end. The seller sell their products or services to the customer with the help of internet through website. Customer can place their order for the product of their choice at any time and from any place. The seller sells the products directly to the customer without any middleman. They are talking about the right business is like where the business is there directly when the producers go to the net and advertise his product, and by seeing that the customer purchase directly business to customer. In this, there is a seller at one end. We can take the example of Flipkart and Amazon also. In this, there is a seller at one end and a customer at other end. The seller sells their product or services to the customer with the help of internet through website. Customer can place their order for the product of their choice at any time and from any place. The seller sells product directly to the customer without any middleman. The buyer is an independent customer. Online shopping is an ideal example for this type. Of this process, purchase and selling are fast and easy. Besides retail selling, business to customer include many services like online banking and transportation, etc. So what we can say, business to customer. In this, there is seller at one end while customer at the other end. The seller sells their products or services to the customer with the help of internet through website. Customer can place the order for the product at any choice, at any time, and from any place. The seller sells the product directly to the customer without any middleman. The buyer is an independent customer. Online shopping is ideal example for this type. Business to business. Now, what is that? In this, both the parties are professionals or traders. Business to business means when one person purchases quantity in a very large quantity in order to sell to the retailers. In this, both the business are professional or traders. In today's competitive world, business units have become interdependent. Business to business trading makes interdependency easy and effective. It establishes e-relationship with suppliers, distributors, or other middlemen. Competence can be achieved due to transparency among the professionals. The competence of daily business activities like management of supply, management of stock list, management of payment, etc. is increased with the help of business to business. So what we can say? In this, both the parties are professionals or traders. In today's competitive world, business units have become interdependent. Business to business trading makes interdependency easy and effective. बराबर? बहुत आसान हो जाता है वो. It establishes a good relation, that is the e-relation with suppliers, distributors, or other middlemen. Competence can be achieved due to transparency among the professionals. The competence का मतलब perfection, किसी भी तरह का कोई fraud ना हो. The competence of daily business activities like management of supply, management of stock list, management of payment, etc. increased with the help of business to business. कस्टमर टू कस्टमर, अब ये क्या है? जैसे मैंने बोला OLX की बात हो रही है, वो सब Qkar.com है, OLX है, और भी बहुत सारे साइट है जहाँ पे कस्टमर को सामान बेचता है. लेट्स सी, trading activities of customer is directly connected with the customer in this kind of arrangement. Internet users using website become seller or buyer as per the requirement. But we can say trading activities of customer is directly connected with other customer in this kind of arrangement. Internet users using website become seller or buyer as per the requirement. मुझे खरीदना हो तो मैं बायर बन जाता हूँ, मुझे कोई सामान बेचना है तो मैं सेलर बन जाता हूँ. कस्टमर है ना, कोई परफेक्ट कोई प्रोड्यूसर कुछ नहीं. कस्टमर गेट online facility of buying and selling without any middle. The best example is this, the auction site, e-auction. A customer who want to sell a thing can put the details of these things on the website for function. Other person can bid for them. A person who bids the highest by the thing, उसके पास आ जाता है. In this website like olx.com, quikr.com, a seller put information about this thing and selling price. The buyer negotiates with them and then the transaction is proceed. Negotiate करके business होता है ना. आपने ये बहुत लोग ने किया होगा. Then comes customer to business. अब ये क्या होता है? In this kind of e-commerce, customer get large choice of products or service suitable at reasonable price. The business unit that provides such services or offer products declare condition for sale and price of the service or product. This system helps to reduce the time of negotiation and increase flexibility of customer as well as the business unit. In these terms of payment decided by the customer. There are more arrangement in e-commerce beside this. If we consider government as independent body, the following kinds of arrangement can emerge. Right? Government to business, government to citizen, government to government. Right? तो क्या क्या हमने पढ़ा? First is business to customer, business to business, customer to customer, customer to business. Now, what are the requirements? क्या क्या जरूरत है हमें? The first is the website. हमारा खुद का website होना चाहिए. Computer with internet connectivity. ये भी हमारे पास होना चाहिए. Computer with internet connectivity. So what we have learned today? So we have learned today the first is e-commerce. उसमें हमने 3 पैराग्राफ देखे. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स है जहाँ पे खरीदना हो, बेचना हो, सामान सब इजी अच्छी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. फील्ड हमने देखे 4 फील्ड, बिजनेस टू बिजनेस, बिजनेस टू कस्टमर, कस्टमर टू बिजनेस, राइट, कस्टमर टू बिजनेस. तो उसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा. फिर हमने पढ़ा क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. फर्स्ट इज द वेबसाइट एंड सेकेंड इज कंप्यूटर विद इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी. तो नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम ये देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस.